Hello, Chef David Rose, and we are here at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center, and today we are making a stout braised lamb shank with a cauliflower puree. It's gonna be so good. Make sure to stay here. We're gonna be featuring the Vulcan Versatile Chef Station. Today, we're making one of my favorites, a stout braised lamb shank with a cauliflower puree. Classic dish, super classic dish, and the shank is essentially the shin of the lamb. And the lamb does not mix a single gym day with legs. So the key to this recipe is braising it, getting a nice hard sear, and breaking down those connective tissues and muscle fibers inside of the meat. So first things first, season your meat. Always season your meat, people. So it's a pretty big piece of meat. So you want to do a pretty aggressive seasoning of kosher salt, black pepper, and paprika, and a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. Because you want to ensure that you're seasoning all over so that when you're cooking the meat, it's well seasoned and the seasonings penetrate all into that delicious shank. So again, recap if you're not paying attention the first time: salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder. Nice heavy seasoning all over on both sides. And that's gonna be step one. The beautiful thing about the Vulcan Versatile Chef Station is that you can literally do so many types of cooking while you're using the device. So I wanna hit over here. I have it on the griddle setting right now at about 360, 365. What we want to do first when you're braising, you want to ensure a nice hard sear on the meat, so that way when you braise, it's not falling apart. The shank retains its shape, has that nice hard caramelized crust on the outside, but that very moist, fall apart bone with the meat just coming right off. So step one, we have the oil on the griddle. We're going to go ahead, take our trusty tongs. When we're doing this, we want to definitely listen out for that sizzle. You want to make sure the griddle is hot on the Versatile Chef Station because you want to get that nice hard sear once again. So if you pay attention, you hear that? Literally, music to my ears. Even temperature control on there. And what we're looking for is a nice hard sear on the lamb shank. So, once you're done browning and searing off the lamb shank, you're looking for that nice browning on the flesh of the lamb shank, because that color means flavor, it means texture, it means deliciousness. Stay tuned for the rest.